Hello everyone, this is Sifat Ahmed. In previous class, we already talked about loop. In today's class, we talk about nested loop. So let's start the class. First, we write for, then take a variable I, then write in, then range will be 5. Then we take another loop and take a variable whose name is j, then in this range, let's take it again 5. Yes, that's okay. And we print value print I equal. Let's save it, then run the file. That's our value. This is our output. Now I explain how it's work in nested loop. Let's go to in the dive to explain that. First we call a function. It's 1 to 5, 1 to 5 using variable I. Variable is I. Again we called another loop which is 1 to 5 which variable is j. So we call a loop inside a loop. So whenever we call first loop, the value of I is 0. Then it's come to second loop. Then it print 0, 0 from I and 0 from j. Then it's 0, then it's 1, then 0, then 2, 0, then 3, then 0 to 4. So what happened is here. Let's break it down. We called a loop. This is a loop. This is a loop. It's start with 0 ending with 5 because range is 5. Stop in 4 because the range is 5. And this loop is called another loop which is same range is 5, start with 0 and end in 4. Whenever we call this, it call inside this loop. So this loop run all his materials, which is first time we call, first time this print this one, then second time the loop go to here. When it's called second time, then the value of I is 1 and then it's print 1, 0, the value of I, and this is j. Then 1, 1, then 1, 2. And third time, whenever we call this function, its a value of I will be 2. And then again it print 0, then it's print 2 to 4. Only this part will be changed. When we call third time, the value of I will be 3 and this part will be same. So let's go to the output and see what's happened. That's we already talked about that. I is same then changing because first loop is calling to second loop and second loop is running from 0 to 4. Then second time is go to the first loop where value of I will be 1 and then j will be 0 to 4. That will be printed same as 0 to 4. That's all. I hope you all understand. That's all for today. See you in the next class.